purpose is to make the university into a reference point on issues that concern Industry 4 within the broader environment of the Baltics, but also with respect to the European Union. The project targets effectively three main areas that we expect to see significant impact. The first, of course, is academia, research, contributions to leading trends in international research. The second concerns business. What are the implications for actually individual businesses, but more importantly for associations of businesses, groupings of businesses within regions, but also within countries. And finally, of course, Industry 4, given its scale and breadth as a historical phenomenon, has enormous implications for the design of policy and governance systems.
IN4ACT research team members come from diverse research backgrounds. Here at IN4ACT we have the necessary skills to address many gaps regarding Industry 4.0 at the micro, meso and macro levels of analysis. Our research here at IN4ACT involves studying the implication of Industry 4.0 for circular economy, economic resilience, the issue of cleaner energy and in socio-environmental sustainability, and manufacturing economic productivity.
IN4ACT project aims at providing big data-driven, artificial intelligence-empowered decision-making systems for digital transformation of manufacturing firms and especially SMEs.
Industry 4.0 is an inflection point for our society. It will change the way we organize ourselves, our businesses, and our communities. Some job profiles will cease to exist due to robotics and automation. Now, I believe it is our duty as researchers at IN4ACT to raise self-awareness about these processes, to help governments navigate through difficult policy decisions based on empirical data. Now, some institutions say that our children will work in jobs that today do not exist, but the future is very, very uncertain. And we as researchers are trying to dissect those strengths so that we could have a sustainable, foreseeable future. And we're trying to understand how the gig economy will impact our labor market.
I strongly believe that IN4ACT will become a success story for several reasons. The phenomena of Industry 4.0 goes far beyond the technologies. The business side of technologies, the society side of technologies are adding different flavors and opening the new horizons for the researchers. We have open-minded and ambitious team, international team, who are ready to cross the boundaries of the disciplines and to leave their footprint in the region. Being a dean of the school and at the same time the coordinator of the project, I found my mission to help them and to open the doors of the different stakeholders and to embed in the new standards of research excellence within the school.